All right, welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. If you're new here, my name is Chelly. If not, welcome back, welcome back. We have a retail store here in Cypress, Texas, Flash FCD Vinyl and Apparel. If you'd like to visit us, we are at 11736 Grant Road in Cypress, Texas, or you can visit us online, fcdvinylandapparel.com. So today we are going to do a quick video of us in the lab working on some exclusive merch from one of the top auto customization garages, or what are they? Companies in the world for Modfx. If you see some of our previous videos, you can see we have worked with them before. We did sit down with them and they are ready to create their merch line with FCD Vinyl and Apparel. So we're going to kind of give you a sneak peek of something that they customize themselves and maybe some prototypes of something that they're going to be wearing, and then kind of promoting and kind of see how the people like what they customize. So let's go ahead and take a look here. We have our Windbreaker. This is also available on our website if you are interested, or if you wanted to come in the store. So he went ahead and put, today we're using vinyl. We're not using our DTF services. This is not a full color transfer project, so we can use our easy breezy HTV vinyl. So we got our big Modfx on the sleeve, and our small logo of the Lowlife, and then our tiny Modfx here. So these are our beautiful prototypes. They wanted a light pink. I believe these are going to be prototypes, also Christmas presents. So they're trusting us with their Christmas presents for their nieces. So we have the light pink the same way here. We have our purple lavender, same way here. And then we have our custom bags with our Modfx logos as well. And again, all of these items are available on our website, or if you wanted to come in store, they're also available as well. So we're gonna go ahead, get these pressed, and then kind of show you the end result. If that's something that you're interested in, building your brand and coming up with prototypes and picking out different colors and see what works with what, please contact us at fcdvinylandapparel@gmail.com, and we can get you started with some mock-ups, get you started with different fabrics, different vinyls, see if the DTF works best for your brand, if that's something you're interested in. If you are interested in the DTF process, please be sure to contact me at FCD Vinyl and Apparel, and we can go over that. As of now, our prices are the 22 by 24 for $25. Starting December 1st, it's going to go up to $30. So please catch that sale before December 1st. So let's go ahead and start pressing. gonna go ahead and close out the video. Today was a success. Look at how great all of this merch came out. It came out so good. We were able to bring his creation to life. So I'm very excited to see how much he loves it, him and his wife. Again, these items, the blank items, are available on our website. The blank bags and the blank windbreakers are available on the website. So please visit it at fcdvinylandapparel.com. And if you are ready to take your brand to the next level and we can bring any creation to life, please contact us. And we'll see you next time. Bye.